All right, so my name is Kannin Boulware, and today I'll be teaching you how to do the Scratch algorithm in VR. And I know that might be a little weird, but honestly, I think younger kids in school will probably love to see more of a technological based learning style. Just watching someone in a video, teaching it in like a VR setting, just probably makes it cooler in their mind for them. But I'm gonna start off with the Scratch algorithm with an example and tell you as I go. So when it comes to using the Scratch algorithm, it's usually when adding single digit numbers in a form just like this. So for example, 7 plus 8 would be 15. So you put the 5 here and you scratch through the 8 like it's a 10. So you're making literally 15 right there, but we're going to save the scratches for later. So 5 plus 7, that would equal 12. And then when adding 12, well, 2, sorry, plus 9 would equal 11. So you put a scratch through, put the 1. And then when it comes to that last number, since we have nothing else to do to it, nothing else to add to it, we're just going to put it down here. And now that we have that number, we just have to take the scratches. So when the scratches come in, you have to count each one of them, and they're counted as one. So 1, 2, and 3. And you just put it down here if there's nothing else to add it to. And I'll explain that further on the next example and so on. But with this, you get 31. So I'm going to move on to example number 2. So, example number 2. This is where it gets a little more tricky than just straight down. 8 plus 5, that's 13. So we cross out the 5 and put the 3. We're going to carry it on. So 3 plus 7, it's 10. So then we carry the 0 on, leave it there. And then we count how many scratches we have, which is 1 and 2. We go ahead and carry it over to the next line. This is where you have to pay attention and not just try to like multiply or anything, but you just 2 plus 2, 4. And then 4 plus 9, 13. 3 plus 4. Then it's 7. Then you can take how many scratches you had from that line, and then you add a 1. Since you only had one scratch. That equals 170. Everyone got it? Okay. We're just going to move on to example 3, which gets a little complicated because 3-digit numbers. So we get to work up and we get to work down about 3 times. So 3 plus 9, that equals 12. 2 plus 8, it equals 10. So we just carry the 0. And then 1, 2, put a 2 up there, that equals 10. So you can just cross 8 out, put a 0. 0 plus 7, that's just 7. 7 plus 4 is a different story. It's 11. So then we carry the 1. We count how many scratches we have, which is 1 and 2. Put a 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And then 5 plus 1 would be 6. And then you get 610, just like that. But hopefully you learned something today. Maybe you did, maybe you thought it was cool. I don't know. It's all up to how you see it, but that is how you do the Scratch algorithm.